You might have come across an image and you don't know what that means or represents. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to analyze an image and find out its meaning or what it represents using the Google AI feature, which is Google Gemini. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, alright? So let's use Google Chrome here. As the browser opens, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. If you're using a different browser other than Chrome, just visit google.com, right? You'll be taken to the same interface. As you can see, we are on the same interface. So once you're here, the next step is to click on this plus sign. Then you see some options. Click on Add Images. Navigate to where the image you want to analyze is on your PC. Let's say you don't even know what that image is. So once you get to that folder, click on it and click on Open. Give it time for it to upload it. Okay, you can see it has been uploaded here. So I will say, analyze this image for me. So I have typed analyze this image for me. Then it's either you press the enter key of your computer keyboard or you click on this AI mode. So give it time for it to analyze it. And you can see it has analyzed it. It says the image displays a styled, glowing cloud structure sitting atop an intricate network of illuminated circuit boards, board pathways, visually representing the concept of cloud computing. The major thing here is that this is about cloud computing representation. So if you don't know what an image is and you're confused, use this AI tool, this AI feature of Google, which you can call Google Gemini, to analyze it. So here it presents me with more information on how to understand what the image is. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can scan this QR code here to check any of my books or some of my books on information technology and make a purchase. Everything is simplified with illustrations. See you some other time.